for accused number 1, he's called me this morning to say he's off sick.
Thank you.
And Your Worship, previously, Mr. Musomi, is it Mr. Musomi? I'm not sure. Your Worship, the legal representative for accused number 2 was supposed to come to court and withdraw properly and formally in court. And accused number 2 was asked and requested by the court to inform the legal representative, to inform her legal representative to come to court and withdraw formally. Apparently, there is a letter that was sent to myself this morning, which I did not receive, but Mr. Sinega is in possession of that letter on his phone, Your Worship. Unfortunately, it's not printed.
You may address court.
The court, please, Your Worship. Your Worship, there is a letter that I received this morning, but it's actually on WhatsApp. I beg leave to...
Yeah, I can just read the contents.
The court, please, Your Worship. It's dated the 17th of June, 2025, and is addressed to the Senior Prosecutor, Specialized Commercial Crime Court, Palm Ridge. Notice of withdrawal state versus Tandegambasa, Sikabi, case number CC80 of 2024. Reference is made to the above. We advise that our Mr. Tansi is no longer representing Ms. Mbasa Sikabi in the above mentioned matter. We trust that you will find the above to be in order in the side question.
Thank you.
The court, please.
What's the purpose of today's appearance?
Thank you, Your Worship. Previously, accused number 2 had applied for copies of the docket. I understand the accused is now in possession of the docket. And also, with regard to accused number 5, the state was furnished with further particulars. The state has since replied to the further particulars which were emailed to Mr. Majavu. And Mr. Cliff Alexander had requested further disclosure. The further disclosure was furnished, and Mr. Cliff Alexander has indicated that he is now in possession of that further disclosure. Your Worship, with regard to the matter being set down today, Your Worship, the state has since furnished all the accused with the charge sheet that was furnished with the copies of the docket. That was the state's first draft of the charge sheet. The state is still in the process of finalizing the charge sheet and would like to furnish or give this charge sheet to the legal representatives before the next date, which we have arranged, the 8th of July. 7th of July, Your Worship.
Okay. Mr. Snedker, do you confirm?
I do confirm, Your Worship.
Thank you. Mr. Alexander?
Thank you, Your Worship. I confirm my learned friend has placed on record. I thank her for the efforts that she made in providing the further disclosure which we're in possession of. I also confirm the suitability of the arrangement.
Thank you. Mr. Barak?
Your Worship, date is confirmed.
Mr. Majavu for accused 5, 7, 8, and 9.
Good morning, Your Worship. I indeed confirm my appearance on behalf of accused numbers 5, 7, 8, and 9. I also confirm the suitability of the arranged date. I also wish to confirm that on behalf of the clients I represent, I am in possession of the full docket. On the previous occasion, Your Worship, having been privy to the docket, I, on behalf of my clients, fired off a request for further particulars, which has since been responded to over the weekend. We are now in possession of the response. We do not intend bringing any interlocutor applications, neither do we intend making any representations. The only point I wish to place on record, collegially for that matter, is that as a result of the responses that we have received, it it is no wonder that the state is now talking of a process of amending a charge sheet. All I am requesting, purely for case management purposes, is an undertaking by the state that which we will receive on or before the 7th of July will indeed be the final version, so that our preparations are not unduly compromised. Other than that, I take no issue that they have responded the way they did. They will probably lie in their bed. But I would ask that maybe the court could also fix a date by which the so-called final charge sheet could be provided. And I'm asking this, Your Worship, to avoid a situation where we come to court on the 9th and then we receive it for the first time then. It may have an unintended consequence of an unnecessary postponement, which is coming at a great cost to our respective clients. So if we were to get it a week before, collegial, if there are issues that we may wish to raise arising from that, then we can do it beforehand as opposed to wasting judicial resources. That is just a request, Your Worship, but the date is indeed suitable. Thank you, Your Worship.
Good morning, Your Worship. I confirm the date. It's suitable to me and my country.
Ms. McLean?
Thank you, Your Worship. The 30th of June, Your Worship.
30th of June. Thank you so much. Matter postponed to the 7th of July 2025 for a charge sheet which will be provided on or before the 30th of June, and thereafter a trial date may be set on the 7th of July 2025. You are all excused.
As it please the court.
Who is missing?
She's outside. She's outside, Your Worship. She said we can ask her to come in as soon as we are done. She's waiting for this matter to finalize.
Oh, that's all right. So you don't
I'm
have
done for the day, Your Worship.
So you don't have to adjourn.
I can you please call her? I'll stand in here, Your Worship, whilst we're still waiting for her. Matt. She's here.
Thank you, Worship.
I understand the other accused from prison is not yet here.